Okay, what is my improvisation tips? And we know that in a song, there are always the background music, and guitar play the additional part in a whole song. And have you ever think about one possibility that if there are no background music and what the guitar playing would be? And I think the improvisation of guitar, we often use the background music chords to follow the main tone or main melody. However, if we leave out the background music, the chords, then what the guitar playing would be a very interesting part. And this is what I am majoring in, the improvisation of guitar possibility without any stipulation, especially the background music chords. And now I'm going to play this kind of improvisation of guitar for everybody. Thank you. And today I want to share with you the beautiful scenery in our daily life is that someday you are in Taipei City and you are lost and somebody feel that you are a little bit nervous because of late to the important appointment and then he comes to your place and say that are you getting in any trouble then? And you say that yes. And he said that what's the matter? And you say you are lost. And he smiled and say that maybe I can take you to the right way. Okay, thank you. This is today's Any Gem series. See you next time.